Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lemme and this is Natural Black Girly. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Natural Black Girly. This is where I do all the natural hair tutorials, teach you how to grow a longer, healthy natural hair. And today I'm going to be dropping my eyebrow routine, my thick eyebrow routine. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I shape my brows at home, and I'm also going to be attempting laminating it without the laminating cream, like the professional laminating cream. I'm going to use something else. So if you want to see all of that, I suggest you keep on watching. Let's get into the video. So this is a little box. This is actually a watch box for my mom, but I took it and then I use it to store everything, like tiny, like some bobby pins, this kind of stuff. And also it contains my eyebrow kit, which is this tiny scissors, a spoolie brush, and a tweezer. Yay! So that's what the three things I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be using a deep conditioner to try the laminating thing, see if it works. I don't know, but if it doesn't work, at least it's going to restore some health to my eyebrows because they need to stay healthy to be growing longer. Okay, I'm going to come closer to the camera right now. So, okay. First step is to brush off my hair, my brows. See the ones that are super long. Turning the mirror so I can see properly. Let me warn you, if this is the first time you're trying this, it's hella painful. But there's a technique that I discovered that you can use to do it and it won't be painful. Let me show you. Is the hair. Instead of pulling it straight out, you pull it this way. Okay? This way. We're gonna wait for 5 minutes and I'll get this off. See if we nailed the lamination or if I just messed up my brows. We'll know. We'll see. Right? So let's wait. This actually held on like really good. I didn't even know it's going to be like this or what today. This is like sachet water bag that it comes with. I just cut off this rectangular parts and then I put it on my hair and it's staying. So it's 5 minutes and we're gonna remove it. So far, we obviously killed this brow lamination. So deep conditioners can actually do brow lamination because I figured that it's something that is going to really moisturize the strands of the brows for it to lie down. But I think the ones they do have like a more semi-permanent effect than this one. So this obviously laid my brows down or maybe took them up. I don't know what I'm supposed to use, but as you can see, my brows are really laid and they are looking slayed and all. So if you guys are going to give this a try, tell me in the comments below if you think this works. Tell me in the comment below. Are you loving my brows? Tell me in the comment below. And the oil I put on my brow after the lamination is a DIY oil for brows and for eyebrow growth and lashes growth. I'm going to insert a picture of my brows here so you see how it looked before I started using this oil. I'm going to link it in the description box. Make sure you check out the video if you want to grow a thicker, longer lashes and brows like me. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you know if you watched to this extent. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a good brow day.